Sawdust workshop. I just changed the lock of the Iveco on the passenger side, and it took me like just a few minutes to get everything off, a few minutes to put everything back on, but then there's a little lever that has to go on a little knob here, on a little lever. That is because you can use them for the driver's side or the other way around on the passenger side. That's why this is movable, but turns out that this little knob is like a millimeter or 1.5 millimeters smaller than on the new one. So I was trying to push that in, and it took me an hour, didn't work. So in the end I had to file the new one a little bit smaller, then put a lot of grease on it, and then finally it got back in. I was so tired and sweaty that I didn't even film that anymore. But there's a new lock in the door, so now we can close it from the outside. It would always lock from the inside, but sometimes you just need to open it with the key. So this I can throw away and the other one is in. At the same time I had to take off the covers I made for it 15 years ago, I don't know. There were speakers in here, and this fits exactly inside the wheel case. So in the step of the door. We don't use the speakers anymore. We don't even have a radio in our car because we just use the mobile phone or the tablet with a Bluetooth speaker. So we don't need all that stuff anymore. And now it's just wasted space. So I'm thinking of taking this off and making sure that this is open from the top. So this is a nice little box to put like, I don't know, something to drink in or whatever needs to go in there. So I got to alternate this one, and later on I have to do it on the driver's side too. But let's start with this one. that's one door done. It fits, it looks better than the old stuff, and it weighs a lot less than with all the speakers in it. But still there's the driver's side to do, which is completely different because there's more space between the door and the seat. But that's for next time. Now I'm just gonna clean up a bit and, well, gonna sit in the sun and enjoy the weekend. So for now, all the best from the Lonesome Hill. At the logo.